Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to create your own equalizer preset for headphones JBL Live 300 TWS. You have to start by open JBL application. Now choose your device. Then click on up icon near to equalizer. Then turn on it if your equalizer is turned off. Then click on plus. And now choose the best one for you. Let's say that's okay for me. Now name it. Click on check icon. And that's it, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!